I'm about to show y'all some fire coming on Air Max Day. Guys, it's Kurt from Stadium Goods back at it with another shoe review. So today I have a special treat for you guys. We have the Wotherspoon Air Max 1/97 hybrids. So let me bring these out for you. Here's the box. As you can see, you have that Nike branding right there. And it also features that colored corduroy pattern that you're gonna see on the upper of the shoe. Open the box, you have that More Air branding on the top of the lid. And it also comes with a gold or yellow corduroy dust bag. So now getting into the shoes. So a little background on the shoes. These were created by co-founder of Round 2, Sean Wotherspoon, located in Virginia, New York, and LA. And these were part of the Vote Forward competition that Nike had last year on Air Max Day. So basically the whole situation with that, Nike picked out a different amount of influencers, and Sean Wotherspoon was one of them. And everyone had, I believe, maybe it was 5 days or a week or maybe the whole month, I'm not too sure, to vote for their favorite design. And I actually voted for these every single day. So Sean, if you're watching these, I need a pair. So now we're just gonna get into a full-on review of the shoe. So the shoe's accessories, it comes with extra white laces, extra teal laces, and extra purple laces. And it also has extra removable tongue patches on the tongue right there. So starting with the outsole of the shoe, it's a Air Max 1 outsole, and it has the different colored patterns on it. We have pink, this gray, teal, and the yellow that you also see on the dust bag. The midsole is just a plain all white, and the Air Max bubble is kind of a red or pinkish color. The upper of the shoe is consisted of a corduroy material. It also features that green, purple, blue, salmon, gray, and yellow pattern that you also see on the box. The shoe's factory laces are just a regular yellow lace, and you have that tongue patch right there, which is actually a wave, and the other ones were just a regular Nike check. And like I said, you can remove them. They have a Nike swoosh under there. The inside of the shoe, it is made up of a velour material. So he's actually a vegetarian, so he wanted his shoes to just be completely animal free. So it also features a orange smiley face on there. The heel tab, it's made up of a denim material as well. And there's actually a little stitching that says VA and then an arrow to LA because he's originally from Virginia, but then after that he moved Round 2 to LA. So that's pretty much what it signifies. You also have a mini gold swoosh right there, and then a little mini swoosh right there. So the whole concept of the shoe, he's really into like a bunch of vintage clothing and just older pieces. So these were kind of inspired off 1980s streetwear and vintage clothing and 1980s Nike hats. So that's pretty much how these shoes came alive. And yeah, my overall opinion of the shoe, I really like them. Like I said, I voted for these every single day, part of the Vote Forward Air Max competition. So hopefully I could secure a pair, but if not, here at Stadium Goods, we have them early. So come down at 47 Howard Street. Follow us on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, Twitter, Google, and Pinterest. And I'm Kurt, I'm signing out, peace.